Right now you need to add a large and not so large list of contacts to your smartphone. Because when you send messages on WhatsApp, if a contact is not saved on your phone's address book with the SIM card inserted, your number can quickly get blocked. And now I'll show you how to add several thousand contacts to your phone in less than a minute. These could be potential client phone numbers gathered from social networks, specialized forums, or simply exported from your CRM system or old database that you want to revive right now. In any case, in order to start working with this data, making calls or sending SMS, you need to first add them to your address book. It will be more convenient that way, and the WhatsApp system will recognize that the contact in your contact list. And if you use multiple phones and multiple SIM cards for messaging, then contact loading can be real headish. That's exactly what it was for me. In my search for the optimal method of contact loading, I tried numerous services, including paid ones, and tested several programs. So then I wrote a small program for myself that exports the contact list from the Excel file to VCF format. It's a so-called virtual card format that can be opened in Google Contacts, iCloud, or simply on your phone by sending yourself the file through a messenger. And right now, just in a couple of minutes, I'll show you how it works. First, we need to download the program. Go to the link below this video and visit my website admin1.ru. Scroll down the page until you find the link to this video and download the program by clicking the Download Program button.
So we find the link to the download page under this video. Find the download button and get the program.
We have a pre-prepared Excel file with names and phone numbers. By the way, if the phone numbers are not in consistent format and include dashes, other signs, there's no need to worry. The program will standardize them. After downloading, you can run the program and select the Excel file where you have names in the first column and phone numbers in the second column. The program will generate two output files for you. The first one with the VCF extension is for loading contacts onto your phone. Send this file to yourself via email or messenger and open it on your smartphone or upload it to iCloud or Google Contacts. And all the contacts will appear in your phone book within a couple of seconds. The second file with the CSV extension can be used for sending WhatsApp messages, as you might have seen while downloading my program for converting Excel tables to virtual business cards. Subscribe to my channel. I post videos that help experts promote themselves using free or very inexpensive methods. And if you need help setting up message distribution, or if you currently have a problem with sending messages via WhatsApp, feel free to contact me and I'll definitely assist you.